Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a nice, clean, you don't find a lot of these, still very well liked, very good machine, Mustang 2054 rubber tired skid steer loader. This unit is cab and heat. It is a T-bar control, center T-bar, standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. There is 1,418 hours on this machine. This was sold by our local, we had an amazing local dealer, Schaefer's Farm Equipment in Curryville, Pennsylvania. He was, Reed was a very good guy, and he took very good care of the customers, and he's done a very dominant thing here in our area with Mustang. But here is a nice, clean, older machine, well taken care of. There has been some paint touch-up on the machine over the years, which we'll show you. Come on back here, we're going to show you about it. Machine's powered by a Yanmar 4-cylinder. I think that's a 4TNV88, I believe they are. 4-cylinder, they're either 47 horsepower. Yanmar 4-cylinder diesel. Starts, runs excellent. No abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything like that. We did put a new fan belt in. We did fully service it. We did change all the filters and oils. Okay, everything there is clean. Engine oil, fuel filters. Hydraulic, there was 2 bushings bad up in the steering linkage. We changed those. There was a knob for your wiper and your washer. We did change out also. We actually got it from Mustang, so it was OEM. All the little radiator bars here in the back are straight. You can see that the paint, you know, this back door was painted at one time. Mustang had a problem. This, they called it gunmetal. It would actually flake, and inside the cab it has done that. But from what we can see, these horses are original on the machine. You can see here the steel lines, and they're even date coded. I believe it's, I can't see the inside, but I think it was like 4/24 of 2002, which that's what it is. You can see that stuff, the zinc still on them. Down in the bottoms, what I was talking about, you'd see where it flaked off, and they did do some touch up on that in the bottom. Tires are about 40%. They're all matched up. Bucket is an OEM Mustang bucket, and I'm going to be honest with you. Right here, it has a little bow in the cutting edge. It is standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. Auxiliary hydraulics with flat face couplers. There's no welds or aftermarket brakes or anything on the boom. The door is complete. Grab handles are complete. Take you inside the cab. Heater box is mounted in the center. T-bar. There is a couple cracks in the seat, but I did not change it. Just the simple fact that it was all complete and it was a Mustang seat. Even had the armrest. Forward, reverse for auxiliaries. Throttle, switches down here for the heater. All the safety stuff is working. Seat belt, everything there works. Gauges. I'm going to slide these open. I just had them shut. Even the windows slide, which generally that stuff's always messed up. Headliner stuff has come down. But I'm just being honest, if you're a Mustang guy, if you had 2040s, 940s, whatever, and you still like Mustang, hey, here's a nice machine to check out. We're going to fire up, we run it around, show you does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. unless you have the park brake locks up. Well guys, you got any questions on this Mustang 2054 4-cylinder diesel? I believe these are 1,650 pound of lift, standard skid steer quick attach, 1,418 hours, T-bar control. There is guys out there that appreciate these machines. They're still running them every day. You know, parts, everything like that's available. They still build Mustang today. It's under the Manitou Gale name, same machine, but a very good, clean machine. It's not a piece of junk. If you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company.